Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll explain how to speed up your old computer like a new one. So let's start, guys. So first of all, we'll use the Prefetch command. So open the run box and type Prefetch. This one is the command, and then click on OK. So now click on continue and delete the all files. This is the raw files, all the raw files. When we are using the application, they'll create the raw files. So delete the all raw files and click on skip. This is not deleted because maybe right now I will use the application. So another command is temp. Same here, select the all files and delete the file. Delete all the file and skip the files if not deleted. Right now skip the option. Now another command is also temp but in other style. So this one is the second command. Same here, select all the files and delete it. Now other command is recent. It will delete the all recent applications which we use in previous time. So it will delete all recent files. This is useful application. Now another command is CMD. So open the CMD using run as administrator. That is, click on yes and type here CMDsk. It will show our file system. So our file system is NTFS and it will examine the all hard disk. So it will finish the error. Now other command is go to our C drive, right click on, go to property. Now click on disk cleanup. So how we can clean the disk, and here we can also use the command. So simply open the run box and type here clean mgr. Same way, select the all folders now. Same, click on the check boxes, select all and then click on OK. Then click on delete now. It will delete the all unnecessary files including recycle bin. So it will clean up the unnecessary data. Now we have to move on. So another command is msconfig. It will disable the startup files. So now click on startup. Now click on open manager. So here guys, disable the unnecessary applications. I disable the Microsoft OneDrive because I didn't use this application. so I disable it. Normally disable all applications, unnecessary applications. Now another command is sysdm.cpl. Now we will increase the virtual memory of the computer if you have less RAM. So we will increase the virtual memory. Please follow the steps. So virtual memory is part of RAM. So if we have less RAM, so with the help of virtual memory we will fast our computer. So give the space if you have less RAM. So that time, if for example if we are using a software and minimum requirement is 4 GB and we have only 2 GB RAM, so that time 2 GB RAM will took from our RAM and 2 GB RAM took from our virtual RAM, so it will totally consume the 4 GB RAM. So that is the virtual memory. Click on restart now. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.